In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw requests on Airbnb. To get started, go ahead and open Airbnb on your device. So you can do this both on the application and their website. Head over into the trips tab, and in here, go ahead and head over into that specific reservation that you've made. Now, once you scroll down at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find the list of actions that you can do with this reservation. So go ahead and select cancel reservation, since what we want to do is to withdraw request. Go ahead and click on that cancel reservation button at the left side of your screen, and that will redirect you in here. So you need to select the reason why you want to cancel your reservation, send message to host, and confirm your cancellation. Now after you've done this, you'll be able to successfully withdraw requests on Airbnb, and that is how you can basically withdraw requests on Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.